All right, so we're getting news that a high-level meeting is currently underway at the PMO, and what we can tell our viewers at this point of time is that the meeting currently is on between the CDS, the NSA, the Tri-Service chiefs. They are in fact briefing Prime Minister. It's a high-level security meeting, and these are two meetings which have taken place back-to-back. One, there was a meeting between the Defense Minister, the CDS and the Tri-Service chiefs, and the focus of the meeting has been on the situation that is currently underway at the line of actual control. In fact, what we can also confirm is that the Prime Minister is also meeting the Foreign Secretary. Political editor Aishwarya Kapoor is joining us with all the details of this meeting. Two meetings have taken place in the span of a few hours. Aishwarya, over to you for all the details.
Three, Sagarika. First and foremost, it was the Defense Minister meeting with the CDS and then the three chiefs. That was a brief back to the Defense Minister that what exactly has the Indian Army done as a response to the Chinese escalation. Second was the Prime Minister calling separately the Foreign Secretary and then discussing that. And then third, the meeting which is happening right now, we are being told that the National Security Advisor, the CDS, that is General Bipin Rawat, and then all the three chiefs are meeting with the Prime Minister up at the South Block. This is a meeting in which the Prime Minister is being briefed about the every minutest detail alongside the LAC, and then specifically in that very region of Ladakh, where we've seen a massive escalation happening on the side of China, and then India has just responded back. The Indian Army has just escalated its presence because it's responding back to the Chinese escalation onto the other side. We've seen in the last 40 days around 3 to 4 kind of escalations and then aggression from the Chinese side, from the PLA army, and then the Indian army has only responded back and then defended its territory. But what is happening in the region of Ladakh is something which has not happened prior, that the Chinese have camped as close as around 5 to 7 kilometers of the LAC, and at this very point of time the Prime Minister is being briefed once again, Sagarika, by the NSA, CDS and the three chiefs. Prior to this, the Prime Minister has met with the Foreign Secretary, and the prior meeting was with the Defense Minister, CDS and then the three chiefs. Sagarika.
In fact, Aishwarya, another question for you. As you were stating that earlier today, we saw how Defence Minister Rajnath Singh also held a meeting with NSA Ajit Doval and the Tri-Services Chief, who are right now attending a meeting with the Prime Minister. But earlier today, we saw how the Raksha Mantri also reviewed the situation. So clearly, it seems like the government is not taking the situation along the LAC any lowly at this point, because we have seen an amount of retaliation as well as initiation by the Chinese forces as well.
Well, they cannot, because at the end of the day, you see, it is happening for over a period of 40 days. Basically, as you mentioned, it all began when we saw that kind of a scuffle, fist fight, which at the end of the day resulted in more than 100 soldiers getting injured on either side. Then we saw that airspace violation by a PLA chopper 15 to 16 kilometers, and that was on Himachal border. Then we saw the kind of aggression which took place alongside the Uttarakhand border, and then what is happening in Ladakh is unprecedented. Chinese have come and then gone back, but this time around they are camping 5 to 7 kilometers from the line of actual control, and the problem here is that it is not like LOC. It is not like the Indo-Pakistan border. LAC is not marked. LAC is not fenced. LAC is not a barbed wire. There are two conceptions. India feels LAC stands 4 kilometers from that point. Chinese feel it starts from 8 kilometers. So that is the point of discrepancy. But at this very point of time, both have maintained one neutral stance. But at this point of time, once again we repeat, the massive escalation which is happening in the Ladakh sector by the Chinese, the Indian Army has aptly responded. Indian Army is not an aggressor. The government of India, the Indian state, has made it apparently clear onto the international platform as well. But what is happening right now is a brief-up meeting back to the Prime Minister. You have the National Security Advisor, you have the Chief of Defence Staff, and then you have all the three army chiefs, all the three chiefs of the Indian Armed Forces present there, briefing the Prime Minister. Earlier, as we mentioned, that the CDS and then the three chiefs have briefed the Defense Minister, and then we saw a separate meeting of the Foreign Secretary with the Prime Minister. So the Government of India is prepping at every front. We have our diplomatic front, and then the NSA, CDS, and then the three chiefs briefing the Prime Minister about the minutest possible details, every development which has happened alongside the LAC, and not only that of Ladakh. So the Prime Minister has been apprised of the situation. The Prime Minister is aware about the every minutest detail. We saw the Defence Minister being apprised, and right now, because the situation is really sensitive, it is not critical but sensitive, because the Chinese soldiers have camped as close as 5 to 7 kilometers, because it has been a common point of understanding that 20 kilometers on either sides. There, 20 kilometers on either sides, the soldiers have maintained that as in neutral positions. So, but this time around Ladakh, around the Pangong Lake, we are seeing increased presence, and that's a massive presence from the Chinese. Instead of 50 to 60 soldiers, there are 5,000 soldiers who are present right now. So that has become a real point of concern. And then the Indian Army has also beefed up its presence in those very particular sectors, just responding back. And then calibrating basically according to it, and hence the Indian forces presence have also drastically increased. But then this is something which cannot be sustained for a long period of time. Even the Chinese understand it, and that's why that meeting between the Prime Minister and then the Foreign Secretary is also equally important, because India is going to take it up diplomatically. Let there be no doubt about it. So yeah.
Right. All right, thank you so much, Aishwarya, for getting us that update. So a high-level security meeting that is currently underway by the Prime Minister himself to assess the situation along the LAC. We'll wait and see what really comes out of it.